Clouds TV, empowering lives.
Oh, thank you once again, Kenyans, Africans, and Africa at large, the world at large. I'm back again with another message. Not the president now, but the Minister for Internal Security, Mr. MURKOMEN. You're a young man. You're not an old man. Whatever I heard you say, when you said people to be shot on sight, it was so unfortunate from you. I know you are emotional. You are irrational. But that is not a mark of a leader. You cannot make two wrongs. Already people were killed. Already people are unaccounted for. Already we have people that are still missing. You cannot call for the shoot to kill. I remember there is a day I watched you and I really liked your move. When Uhuru Kenyatta chased you from the parliamentary department heads, I saw you with Susan Kiheka. You shouted along the corridors of parliament, walked out, spoke to the media. Nobody arrested you. Nobody fought you. You organized and supported demonstrations. Nobody was killed. Nobody was arrested. Everybody just looked at you and you moved on. You with Mr. President, you did rallies across the country. Nobody interfered with your rallies. You had choppers, about 5 choppers. You had vehicles. You landed in every town. You never sought permissions from police. You never notified police stations. You just landed because you had the right to do so. You did massive campaigns at the current state house. You did massive campaigns. You moved all over the country. We liked you. We supported. And that's the reason most young people and most of us, we supported you. We supported Mr. Ruto because he articulated his issues. And we saw that for the first time, we have a team of young people who really know what they are doing. You are one of the people we really admired. You're one of the people that we looked upon and said, wow, if we can have MURKOMEN here, if we can have Kindiki there, if we can have somebody like, we had Gachagua, we had Ruto, we had many young people, very powerful, vibrant people, Sakaja of all the people we admired because at last Kenya has gone back to factory setting. That now we have people, genius people that are going to lead this nation. But now when you find that Sakaja can organize goons to come and demonstrate, to fight his own brothers, young people. Remember the Gen Zs are the same people you have given rights to go to do photography in the streets of Nairobi. I can say even you've modified the street of Nairobi to accommodate these young people. Every Sunday you come to the city, you find so many of them. They are the Gen Zs. The people you unleashed violence upon them. Sakaja, you're a young person. You came from the university the other day. I saw even they tried to block you saying that you've not gone to university, but you know, you are from university. When I met you in TNA, when we were supporting Uhuru Kenyatta, you're just young. I remember you told me, I was with you, you told me at the hood, and you told me one day you want to become the president. And the move that you are making was good, very progressive, wonderful. And this time, the tribalism will not work. And that is where we really supported you because we found at least this country can change. MURKOMEN, you're a young person who can be equipped. You are a presidential material, a powerful person, articulative, a lawyer for that matter, a human rights defender. Yes, as much the police stations were destroyed, as much crime was done, was meted against the police and also civilian, they faced the same challenge. The police officers fought the civilians fought the police officers. But as a young person, Mr. MURKOMEN, why don't you engage your young fellow people? Because I know you know. I know you know. Sakaja, why can't you engage these young people? And we come together. Then we seek to understand, is it that these people are misunderstood? Why would somebody just go and touch a police station, touch a court? Why? Because they want to be listened to. They want to hear you. They say we have our young people represented in the government, but they are behaving like they are old men. That's why they are making noise. That is why they're demonstrating. Again, they discover that you can hire people against them. That's bad. That you can say shoot to kill order. Then the police are young. We also have young men in police, young men in army, young men in city council. These young people that were demonstrating are the same people wearing Nairobi County government t-shirts, Nairobi County government aprons. They're the ones who are driving cars, the Nairobi County government cars. They're the same people that are unlocking our sewages, are the same people that are cleaning our Wakulima market and all over the streets of Nairobi. These young people that are loyal to you are the same young people that were demonstrating. So you can see you are unleashing violence upon the people that are helping you to clean up Nairobi, to make Nairobi a better state. Mr. Murkomen, you said that the people who came were from Murang'a, were from Kiambu, were from Kirinyaga. How did you know? Isn't that the same people you are calling the Murang'a people, Kiambu people, Nyeri people, Kirinyaga people? Si hao ndio wamekupatia bibi. So you are married to you have their daughters. Just imagine if you found a brother to your wife shot dead by the police. Will you attend the burial? Will you go there as a message to attend the burial of that brother? God forbid. It won't happen. But please reconsider your statements. Just be bold enough, because I know you are. Stand up, apologize to Kenyans. Apologize. Tell them, I was angry. I was not myself. I didn't understand how it went. I even misstepped from my mandate, because tell them I don't have mandate to command a police officer. Minister for Internal Security, you cannot command. Police is an independent body. And you know that. And please, because you forgot, maybe because of you are angry, maybe because you thought Ruto was being overthrown, nobody has any reason to overthrow a sitting president who has been elected legally. We have legal means to remove such a president. If he's a wrong president, we have votes. I have a vote. I know where I'm going to overthrow him from. It's from the vote, from the ballot box. I will do that. If I am convinced to do that, I will do that. Because I'll have to access and look at what has he done. But if your utterances are anything to go by, it is one of the reasons I will send Ruto home. You Murkomen. If it is true the goons were sent by you, Sakaja, it is one of the reasons that I will send Ruto home. I will vote against him because of you. Not because he has done anything against me. Not because the economy is not good. Not because anything that has happened. No. But because what you did on the streets, this is what will make me not vote for Ruto. You Murkomen and your Kinausoros and the rest of the people. Whatever you are talking about, whatever you are saying, the arrogance that is in you, it is what that will cause me not to vote for Ruto. We worked tirelessly for him because we believed in him. We will work tirelessly. And I don't want us to reach that angle, that 1 term, 2 term, no term, what term. That is not a good language for this nation. We need progress, we need successes, we need people who are sober. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Let's build a nation. Let's build a country. Let's build our nation. This is our motherland. We don't have any other country to go to run to. This is where we have refugee camps that holds the entire Africa. Kakuma, Dadaab. You go to Kakuma, you find people from DRC, people from Mozambique, people from South Africa, people from West Africa. They are in Kakuma. And this is a haven of peace where we cherish the peace. We might have, yes, we might have grown people We might have people who are not bent to commit felony, bent to do bad things, bent. I was one of the people wrong those days that who didn't obey, didn't respect the rule of law. But when I discovered my wrongs are not helping this nation, I stopped. I surrendered to people. I told people, please forgive me. I pledge forgiveness. I'm going to work alongside with you to help our country grow. Me and you, we are mature enough to go and speak to these young people, to engage these young people and allow them to speak. If you go to Europe, because I know you've gone to Europe, you go to Germany, you go to France, they demonstrate in their millions. And there's no skirmishes, there's no tear gas, there's nothing. Police walk alongside the demonstrators because they are part of the country. A police is a Kenyan, an army is a Kenyan. When there is a demonstration, they need also to participate in it because we have the right to picket. That is my opinion. Mr. Sakaja, Murkomen, Osoro, Ishongwa, and many more who have just decided not to use your Ndura Bulangata nicely. Please, cool down. This nation needs you. This nation needs me. This nation needs that young man you are asking for his killing. God bless you for now. I'm Apostle Ndurawaruinge from the synagogue.
Bethel Clouds TV, empowering lives.